This video was sponsored by Sweetwater Triple Tail. Nah, I'm just playing. Should I edit that out? What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Dwight Man Garden, and we are back. Brand new episode ATF. And that is all things fly. And in this episode, got a brand new pickup to show y'all, man. I was just chilling, playing a little Xbox, trying to get my stream popping. And then I got a text message letting me know my sneaker came. So I jetted out, headed to my mailbox, picked that guy up for you. And, oh, let me show you. This box right here. Yeah, this that guy. I've been waiting on this for a while. Now, before we get into this, I just want to give a huge shout out to the GOAT app. If you all were ever wondering if that was a authentic way to get your sneakers or whatever, I mean, I had a real situation happen where I ordered the shoes in a size 10.5, and you know, I was waiting for them to come, and then GOAT app hit me up and let me know that the person who was selling me it was, you know, basically selling me a fake pair. So they gave me my money back that same night. And then I thought about it and was like, damn, I really wanted those shoes. So I'm gonna just go ahead and scoop the size 10 instead of the 10.5, because I didn't want to run the risk of the same thing happen. No bad juju here. So that's what we did, and our size 10 just came in today. So yeah, we're gonna check this out. Again, I don't have my pair of scissors. I don't know where the hell they are, but we're gonna use this bottle opener for today. So yeah, this thing doesn't work the best. This thing's actually pretty tough. Alright, now that we have the box open, I gotta say, this is my third pickup from GOAT app. I got 2 pair of Yeezys for Babe off of that, and this is my first pickup for myself. So yeah, shout out to you, GOAT app, man. I trust y'all, man. And as we open the box, you see that we have our GOAT app stamp of approval. I like that, man. It makes me feel like I got something real authentic in here, man. This is dope. So let's just slide that off. Obviously, we don't need this box anymore. And we have our standard black and red Jordan 1 box here. You might know what this is. Yo, Jordan 1s are surprisingly hard to get, man. Like, that sneakers app is a complete fail on all Jordan 1s. But I'm glad I was able to scoop this pair. So let's check it out. Oh, before we check it out, we have our GOAT app card letting us know our goal is to be the most trusted market for sneakers. We hope you enjoy and thank you for your purchase. GOAT Authenticity by BA. Don't know who you are, BA, but I appreciate you because you saved my life. And here we go. Pull back the paper, and yes, even though it's upside down, but whatever, you get it. One moment. We have our top 3 Jordan 1s. Oh my god, this thing is fire, dude. Holy crap. Yo, I almost cursed on that one. Yo, this shoe is, whoo. This is fire. If anyone know anything about the top 3 Jordan 1, it's basically last year they put out the top 3 Jordan 1s, and it was the Royals, the OG ones. I call them OG, they call them the Chicago, and then the band ones. They put them all together. They basically did the same formula with this, but instead they used gold. So it's called the gold top 3 ones. But on this one, it's more so like a gold toe one. That's what I would call this pair, because it doesn't follow the same formula all the way around as on the front. The toe is gold on both of them, but the rest of them stick to the same formula. And man, oh man, when my homie texted me when he got his pair and he said, yo, this shoe is fire. This shoe is fire, dude. Oh my god, the patent leather. This shoe is hard, dude. It even comes with the extra laces. You got the white lace, you have this kind of a tannish lace that I guess is supposed to be the gold, whatever. But I'm gonna stick with the black laces, and oh my god, this is definitely gonna be in my top 5 sneakers for the year. Cause yo, this is crazy. I'm pretty sure if you were able to get the original top 3 gold ones, you probably are over the moon. But I'm gonna stick with this. I am not mad with this pickup. This is a dope shoe. I don't know if I'm gonna do a full review on it. I probably won't, because I mean, once you've seen one Jordan 1, you've seen them all. So I'm pretty sure I'll come up with something creative to give you guys. But yeah, thanks for checking out. It's been your boy Dwight Man Garden, GMG. We do what we do, and I am out.